today we're going to be playing Cabin Crew Flight Simulator. We're using the Airbus A380 destination from Paris. So yeah, subscribe. So look at this beauty. I love my ball. Let's AFK to get everyone inside the plane. So every the passengers are been aborted. No, guys, may I turn on the sound?
Trusted seller ba ang hanap mo? Sure ka sa Lazada with last top sellers. Sure ka din na mabilis.
Want to be my girlfriend?
Who?
You.
Asked. on such an opportunity.
Are you serious, my brother?
To let you know that I'm never dating you.
Wakey, wakey, it's time for school. Huh? Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school? Bro. La tela at school.
4 minus 1, that's 3, quick maths.
Correct.
Let's go.
What natural numbers comes before 5?
1, 2, 3, and 4.
My dad is 24 years older than me. I am 20. How old is my dad?
Your dad is 44.
You got them all correct.
All right.
Jane, you're next. Please step up.
School bring bell.
Oh well, that is it for this semester. See you guys after the summer break.
I want to thank you for your grace and mercy. Running.
Come on, Tracy. I don't got all day.
You have so nice muscles.
If only I knew how to look like that. The next day. Yes.
Hey, here, how much it costs, cook? Put it on the scale, cook.
Are you sure?
Okay, I did. I had not eaten for a week. I am sorry.
Hello, ladies
Okay,
and gentlemen.
I
This is your
understand.
captain from the flight
But
deck.
you must
Welcome
also
aboard the flight.
understand.
We're expecting a smooth ride today, so the seatbelt
Yes.
sign should remain off for most of the flight. Thanks for flying with us, and once again, welcome aboard.
Hi, I'm Yiluma.
What the hell?
E, tell James what you do for a living.
Money.
He has like billions of dollars. E, please drive me home.
Okay.
It's just a little strong.
Okay. Still tastes like...
We're ready.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I have done so much. And I almost had her. And then Elon Musk took her. He don't even love her. I must get her back. Whatever the cost.
What are you looking at?
What?
What are you looking at?
After flexing on yet classic.
Flight attendants, please be seated for takeoff.
Will you marry me?
OMG, yes. By the way, I can't believe you have gotten Sabbath and Bridge in under 2 months.
It nearly killed me. But the work is done. It always will be.
Oopsie.
I'm sorry, but your man is dead.
You sure?
Yes, he dead as hell. Now if you will excuse me, I have a pregnant woman to attend.
Dear Captain from the flight deck, we have reached our cruising altitude. The flight attendant should start their in-flight service shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Come on, push like it's now or never. Push like
Let's
it's gonna
skip
be your
this,
last
guys.
push.
Okay, guys, we arrived, guys. I turned off a lot of sound.
Now, at least you have to kill you first. I promise I will survive. I want you to take care of Sam as well. He is indeed a good person, but he is also naive. That's right, Sam. Please marry my dad. He needs you. And I need you too. Honestly, I have no interest in your property. I love you, but can we just live like this until we find out a way to cure your illness? Your illness is only at the first phase. We still have hope that your illness can be cured for good. Hey, I have an idea. At least you two should have a marriage registration. Great idea, son. Yeah, at least you should have a titular in my house. I know you are still concerned about what people would say if you marry me. But can you please get it out of your head? Me and my son know so well you are a 5-year woman. Okay, then. I agree to have a marriage registration with you. Yes, thank you, my stepmom. I promise you will never be a widow like what I am now, Sharon. But what about Peter? He would get crazy about this for sure. I'll talk to him. He is just my younger brother. He can't decide my life. Okay, we'll talk to him. At Sharon's house. Hey, sister. Welcome home. You look so happy. What happened? Peter, I'm getting married. Oh, no. Don't tell me that's Mr. Carter. That's him. What? Do you have any idea what you're talking about? No, I will never accept this craziness. You can't marry Mr. Carter. And that
Hope see you guys. Sorry for AFK. Okay, guys, we arrived.
Peter, I'm telling you this because I want to let you know what's going on.
Why is it lagging?
Not that I'm asking for your opinion or waiting for your opinion.
Yeah, because we arrived. I love my day of my life.
I have been raising you for 6 years without any request of you repaying me. And this is
It's my first day to go to Paris.
You're my brother indeed, but it doesn't mean you can be this selfish.
What you want now?
This is my life, my happiness. You can't tell me to do as you want. I know this is your happiness, but why
Yeah, I love my
do
life.
you really want to marry a retired
Sorry if you guys saw this video. Yeah, my crew will do it though. If you guys are subscribed to my channel, I will see you guys on the next video. So, and thank you guys for 35 subscribers. I love you guys. So, bye.